All right, welcome back to another sneak peek. We've got some great new rides on the lot to show you. Definitely some standouts this week. I want to remind you these rides are so new that they're not even priced yet. These won't even become available until around noon on Monday. So you're getting an exclusive first look. And then when Maple Motors updates their website, you'll have all the information you need. It'll answer all your questions. You can head on over to maplemotors.com. Like I said, around midday Monday, they update their website. Get 100 detailed pictures and everything you want to know about these new rides. And although you're getting a sneak peek, you can see these videos even earlier by becoming a channel member. You get early access to the sneak peek videos, and that version also includes the Lot Walk Girls as an added bonus. To become a channel member, you can scan this QR code and follow the sign-up instructions. I'll also leave a link in the comments below. All right, let's get started. We might be saving the best for first here. We're starting at the front and center at the lot, looking at this 1955 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Let's take an exclusive first look inside and out and under the hood. Not just one, but two 1955 Ford Thunderbirds. It's not too often that you got two Thunderbirds to choose from. This one in a classic red. Let's take a look inside and out. Continuing with the red theme, interestingly, the majority of the new rides on the lot this week are all red. You're looking at a 1963 Chevy Nova. Let's take a look. And at the end of this row, you guessed it, a red 1979 Chevy Corvette. Let's take a look. All right, moving on to a different color. You're looking at a 1991 Pontiac Firebird that somebody's made up to look like the kit car from Knight Rider. Even includes a Knight Rider Hot Wheels. And as you'll see, it's got a Knight Rider license plate. Can't remember exactly what year kit was. If anybody remembers, let me know in the comments below. But I'm pretty sure this one's off just by a few years. But nonetheless, it's a pretty sweet ride. Let's take a look. Now this one, some of you have seen in the background of recent videos and been asking about it. What's going to be available? You're looking at a 1978 Chevy C10 with a little camper top over the back. Let's take a closer look. Heading on over to the other side of the lot, last but not least, you're looking at a 1972 Chevy Impala. Let's take a look. And before we go, let's take a sneak peek into the showroom. All right, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And also, I'd be interested to see what you guys think these will be priced at. Looking forward to all these test drives. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss the exclusive sneak peek of all the new inventory before it hits the market. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.